So you may have heard before the BTC has never tested last cycle's high. Well, this myth is busted. So last cycle high, depending on the exchange, was here around $19,000 to $20,000. Guess what? BTC has gone below $19,000. If I change to the 5-minute time frame here, we'll be able to zoom in and see over here. Oh, I wish it was at $30,000. And see over here, the BTC went earlier this afternoon as low as 18,000. Well, it means that there's two possibilities, right? One is that it's testing the support and it's going to bounce back up. The other possibility is that it will go below the previous support, the previous high from the previous cycle. And if that happens, the next support is around here, around 12,000K. Doesn't look beautiful, but that's what TA is telling us. Bitcoin has never closed a weekly candle below the 200-week moving average. And right now, it's about to do it. It would have to bump significantly before Monday in order to not break the weekly candle before the 200 moving average. Oh man, what a time. Hello everyone, what's going on? I am Carlos. I am a normal guy trying to make money for my family in crypto. You just seen me doing a little bit of TA. I do TA once in a while, but I'm not really a TA guy. I like to look at the fundamentals of things, okay? But I mean, things don't really look good. Ethereum has just reached 3 digits. Right now it's hovering around 1,000. Bitcoin went below 20K. Inflation is reaching its record levels. All global markets are in full recessions. Mortgage payments are increasingly unsustainable. The Fed fund rates are hiking, and they will probably be doing for the next 6 months at least. That's what the trend's telling us, right? If you've been dollar cost averaging for a while, you've been catching falling knives. In some of my previous videos, I did mention that around 21K, 22K, you could start thinking about dollar cost averaging. But I also said, do not go all in, you know. Yeah, as I said just a minute ago, if it breaks the 19K support, probably especially looking at the macro scenario, it is going to go down as low as 12 to 13K. So right now, I would say if you've been dollar cost averaging and this is your strategy, stick to your strategy. Personally, right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting, and I'll probably leave some orders around the 13K, maybe a little higher than that, a little lower than that, to try to enter the market again. Hopefully we're gonna have plenty of opportunity to buy the bottom. I now, looking at the macro, do feel that this is going to last, and yeah, there's always going to be a lower bottom for the next while. I could be wrong though, and I would love to be wrong. I'm a bull. I want things to go up. I want people to be wealthy and happy. Well, that's life. None of what I say here is financial advice. I cannot see what's going to happen in the future. I can just tell you what I can see at the charts, at the news, at the macro scenario of the world. Guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy these quick updates, leave your like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Always do your own research, and you're the only one responsible for your financial decisions. So if BTC does confirm this breakout below 19K, which is the previous cycle all-time high, I actually think that we are currently on denial, okay? Because as I said, the next support is around $18,000. So I mean, it does feel like a capitulation, but it could be a mixture of capitulation and denial and further capitulation. Again, I'm not a bear, but it's very hard to not be pessimistic right now. So guys, this is another algorithmical stablecoin, MIM. It stands for Magic Internet Money. and it has depegged a little bit in the past, but it seems to be depegging again today. It reached its second lowest point in history, around 96% of a dollar. Um, News reports are stating that MIM may be nearly insolvent because last month during the Terra blow up, $12 million of bad debt was created by Abracadabra Money, which is the protocol behind MIM, because liquidations couldn't happen fast enough to cover the protocol's MIM liability. So, I mean, after what happened with UST, you would have to be very brave to put your money in stablecoins. If you have any meme, I mean, if I had any meme, I would just jump out with a loss. Right now, not so bad, 97, almost 98 cents, so 2%. Yeah, that would be just me right now. Take that loss, 2%, and sleep well at night. So I found this magic recipe here on how to get through the coming recession and become very rich over the next decade. So the first step is to invest all your life savings into crypto. Then, in order to not waste any money, you would need to commit a crime, of course, a non-violent crime, okay? And this crime would warrant a sentence of at least 5 to 10 years. So you want to spend 10 years in prison. Why? So that you can get arrested and leave for free while you hodl your crypto. And then 10 years later, you walk out free and enjoy your hard-earned gains. Not financial advice, guys. Guys, in the end of the day, having more money or less money doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be happier or less happy. Obviously, if you have your financial independency, you might have more freedom to make your own decisions, and many might argue that this is directly related with happiness. Why am I saying that? Because we need to laugh, we need to enjoy ourselves, we need to have fun, and if you can do those things alongside with being wealthy, even better. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave your like, to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.